Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to show you guys my new and improved updated eyebrow routine. I switched it up a bit because I'm more interested now in dark brows. Instead of a light natural brows, I like them dark, so I wanted to show you guys how I achieved that. So first you have to brush the brows in the direction that they grow. I use a spoolie to achieve this. I then use a black eyebrow pencil. Yes, I use a black pencil and I outline the bottom portion of my eyebrows and I outline the top portion of my eyebrows, and you will see me do this to both brows. Then I switch out the black eyebrow pencil for a brown eyebrow pencil, and I use that to fill in the middle portions of where I had outlined. This will give me the effect of the dark brows without looking too light, because I don't really like light brows. My hair is black, I feel like my brows should be dark colored also. So I use the brown pencil mixed with the black pencil to give me a nice dark brown mix. Now currently I don't see any dark brown pencils that I really like, but if there are any out there that you like that you could recommend, you can always leave that in the comment section down below. I take my spoolie and I blend everything together, which will give me the dark brown effect that I am really going for these days. The key to all of this is to blend the product together in order to achieve the dark eyebrow. We want to get rid of all the harsh lines that we created with the outline, and we want to mix the two colors together to achieve this dark brown look. I then take my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and I use the angled brush to outline and clean up the bottom portion of my eyebrows. I have to be really careful with this because I don't want to mess it up. So ensure that when you are trying it, you are careful also. And then I flip the brush over to the other side where the product is, and I do the other eye. I then drag the product down using the angled brush. Drag it down into my crease in order for me to be able to blend it better. Further down into the video you'll see me demonstrating this, but I like to drag it down so that I'm able to blend it into my skin. I then go on top with another LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this one that I'm using is dark cocoa, which is the exact color of my skin. So I'm cleaning up the top portion of my eyebrows in order to get that precise look that I'm going for these days. Now this is optional, you could completely leave this step out, but for like a full eyebrow routine, this is what I usually do. then take my fingers and I go underneath and on top of my brows, and I blend out the concealer so that it can give me a natural look. I take whatever product is left on the brush and I use that to fade out the front part of my eyebrows to give that faded ombre eyebrow look. Of course, we have to get rid of the unibrow, so I clean that up and I go on top of my brows with a clear mascara in order to set it in place. And that is basically it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was extremely helpful for you. If you like dark brows like myself, this is a hack that you can use if you cannot find a dark brown pencil that you or pomade that you really like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up for this video if you liked my content. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more. And as always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.